Hello friends, today we are going to make a cross boomerang with paper. It is very easy to make. It is 100% working and comes well. If you also want a boomerang like mine, please follow my steps as shown. To make a boomerang, we will need an A2 size sheet of any color. Firstly, we will take an A2 size sheet and fold it half and make a good crease between it, and we will press it with the finger. You can see a nice crease between it. Now we will cut the paper between the crease. I am cutting it with the scale. You can cut it with the scissor also, as your wish. Now we are having two parts of the sheet. Take one part and fold it half and make a good crease between it. Now open this fold. Now we are having two parts. Take the lower part to the middle part and take the upper part to the middle part. Now press it with the fingers to make a nice crease. Crease is very important. Now take the lower part to the upper part and press it with the fingers. Now take the second sheet and do the same as the first sheet. Fold the sheet half and make a good crease between it. Press it with the fingers. Now take the lower part to the middle part and upper part to the lower part. Now take the lower part to the middle part. Now we are having two same things. Now take one part and apply cello tapes on its sides. Apply a good amount of cello tape on its side. Now take the second part and do it same as the first part. Apply cello tape on its side. Now take one of them and fold it half and press it from the middle. Now open this fold and you can see a nice crease between it. Mark it with the marker or pen. Now take second and do same like the first. Now take both of them and paste it from the point like this and make a plus sign. Now take the scissors and apply two cuts on the all sides of boomerang. It will help the boomerang to come back. The cut should be of 1 centimeter approximately and should be having 1 centimeter of distance between them. The cut should be applied where we have applied cello tape. Now our boomerang is ready and fly it on the angle of 45 degree as shown. Friends, if you like this boomerang video, don't forget to click the like button. And for more updates, please subscribe my channel Aman's Talent. And thanks for watching.